This is Tinsley with Salty Abandon and a Salty Quickie. I'm out here at the Gulf State Park. There's the Gulf over there. This is where I like to do my walk. It's pretty private, you can see. I'm sitting here in the dunes, try to block the wind a little bit. I've got talking through my headset, so it was the most effective way to block out the wind. As best as I could anyway. But just wanted to give an update. Now tomorrow in Pensacola I start captain school. So it's going to be Saturday through Friday, 7 days in a row, 9 to 5. So it's going to be pretty intense. I'll be, driving over there every day. It'll be about an hour, maybe more there and back, an hour back. So, I'll still have my real estate, but I'll have to take breaks and just do what I can from there. And I already have somebody coming tomorrow and that wants to look at one of my listings, so Scott's going to handle that for me. But so got that. So I've got the TWIC card, I've got the CPR, AED, first aid class certificate, and after this week hopefully I'll have the class certificate, and then I have to get a medical, and then I'll have to get a drug test, and then put the whole package together and send it off. So beyond that, a couple weeks ago I had Zern Rigging, I believe, from Pensacola come and inspect my rigging. Went up to the top of the mast and everything. I think I'm getting some sand fleas in here. And he said everything looked good. I knew that I had one stanchion. The base is kind of cracked, so it kind of jiggles a little bit. And I know that my lifelines are rusted. It's kind of coming through that plastic coating or whatever that is on there. And I knew that for a while I needed to replace that, because lifelines, the point of lifelines is to save your life. So if they're rusted, probably not going to work out too good if I hit against it really hard or fall against it. So he's replacing that. He's going to take 2 stanchions. He inspected them all and feels like only 2 really need work right now. So he's going to take those off, the 2 stanchions, and go have them welded. So that's going to be done. Scott and I are going diving in July, so I gave him those dates, so he's going to do it during that time. So I'm not going to have to miss out on using the boat in the meantime. And so our target date for crossing the Gulf is August 3rd, weather pending. I'll be talking to John in Key West to get his consensus on the weather, on going across, the waves and the wind and all that. I've gotten pretty good at looking at it now and knowing when the conditions are right. But I like to always have a backup, maybe even 2 people look at it and say, hey, is this what you're seeing? That's worked out really well for me. But yeah, so also Bill, who has really helped me a lot with my boat, especially over like the last year. He has fixed 2 issues on my engine. So one, I kept having to take the thermostat, forgive me, I don't have all the terms, but the thermostat, the thing that attaches to the thermostat to tell you when you're overheating. Somebody can write what that is. Thermostat register, I don't know. I just kept taking it off because it just kept overheating, and I've been down to the Keys and back 3 times. So we finally, looked at it, and he has a little infrared reader, and he put it on there, and it was getting up to 180, 190 degrees, right around there, even 200. So he checked the thermostat, it was fine. He checked something else, can't remember what it was, it was fine. Then the heat exhaust, the heat exchange needed cleaning out. That's like the radiator on a boat. So that needed cleaning out, and now it's not overheating anymore. We're going to get the thermostat, a proper thermostat on there, because I don't think that one was working too well. But, fuel leak. And I think it's called the fuel injector. It was coming out, the fuel kept coming out. I kept seeing it pull up around one of those lug nuts on that little U-shaped thing, And last year we saw it, and he replaced the O-rings. Well, it started again on one side of it, so he pulled that out, and it's been more than 6 months. So, but it really, according to Bill, it should be kind of messed up again. So the next big haul out I have, he's gonna pull some things out and kind of tear things apart and see what's going on. But in the meantime, we replaced the O-ring on that side that was leaking, and it's not leaking anymore. So I'm learning a lot about the boat. Obviously I don't remember all the terms, but hey, I'm just honest about what I do know. And really looking forward to captain's class and more videos. I've been working a lot, so I haven't been able to put up any edited videos. I still want to put up some videos of the trip down to the Keys. There's some great, fabulous footage from Marathon to Key West that I haven't put up yet. When Scott flew down to that point and flew the drone, and that's just a beautiful sail. So I definitely want to get that up, and some of the footage on the way down from Tarpon Springs. So hopefully I'll get it up before the next trip. In the meantime, if you guys find it in your heart to help the babies, the cats and dogs of Baldwin County, would really appreciate it if you went on Salty Abandoned Facebook and ordered a t-shirt or a coffee mug or something. All the proceeds go to Baldwin County Humane Society, and it's really a really good cause, as I'm sure you know. So anyway, that's it for now. I'm going to continue my walk down here. It's about a 3.5–4 mile walk. I'll go down there and back, and it's something I like to do every day. Helps me stay. I like to walk in this soft sand here. I don't know if you know about Gulf Shore sand, but it's just like sugary white. I've been all over, and this is the whitest sand, you know, here in the Florida Gulf Coast, the Florida Panhandle especially. So if y'all ever get a chance, I'll be glad to sell you a condo, by the way. Here in Orange Beach or Gulf Shore, Tornado Key. Anyway, that's it. Salty Abandoned, out.